Hey everyone, I'm Philip Curry and today we are making something that is not quite cake and not quite cookie. Let's just say it's a cross between banana bread and the chocolate chip cookie. So we're starting with our dry ingredients. So flour into the bowl, tiny bit of salt, tiny bit of cinnamon, baking powder, and bicarbonate soda. I don't like to sieve flour, so I'm just going to whisk it to combine everything and evenly distribute all that baking powder. Then to prepare our syrup, we've got our bananas. Always use super ripe bananas because that's where all the flavor comes from. Don't try and use underripe ones because the flavor's just not there. Well, the starches haven't converted into sugars, and that really banana-y flavor that we're after, it just isn't there. I mean, I've tried ripening them in the oven, doing all kinds of things. It just doesn't work as well as naturally waiting, and this is a really good way of using up bananas that are on their way out. So it's roughly 2 bananas for this recipe. We're adding the muscovado sugar, caster sugar, and the coconut oil. So we're just adding our sugary banana syrup. It smells so good. We're gonna just mix those. It's now time to also throw in our chocolate chips. You'll see that batter is quite soft. So we're just gonna let it rest in the fridge for 30 minutes. That coconut oil is gonna firm up so we can scoop it and bake it. So our dough is chilled for about 30 minutes in the fridge. You don't have to rest it if you're using a scoop because you can just scoop it out onto the tray. But I'm not using a scoop today, so I'm just gonna lightly oil my fingers and I'm just going to weigh 20-gram balls. So we've got 2 trays of raw dough. I like to just put a few extra chips on top. Time to go in the oven. It's got the banana flavor, the chocolate flavor. It's chewy and cakey all at once.